Today I share with you how to make beef dodo. This is one of the food you can easily serve your family this Christmas season. Let's see how this is being done. To begin, I'm going to be needing already washed beef. Add in the beef, then I add in the chopped onions. I'm going to be seasoning that with this curry powder. After adding that, I'm going to be adding this chicken seasoning, then adding 2 nut cube. After adding that, I'll be adding salt to taste, then adding half cup of water. All I do is to get that stir. I'm not going to on the heat at this point. I'm going to allow this meat to get marinate for 30 minutes before I will light the fire. For the seasoning I use, it comes from Odogun Food. All you have to do is to check my comment section to get yours. You need to get this for this Christmas season. 30 minutes later, this is what I have. You can see that the oil, everything has settled. That means this have already get marinate. So all I do now is to cover that and get this to cook fine now. So this is me cooking that for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, the meat has cooked so nice and it was so amazing. So all I do now is to separate the meat from the stock water. At this point, it's scented so amazing. Look at that. Don't forget to follow this process. After adding the spices you are going to use, you first of all cover that to get marinate before you can proceed. So now that I bring everything out, I will keep it aside. Next I'm going to be needing is this plantain. I have already wrapped plantain. All I do is to just chop that into bite-able size. This is going to serve us for the dodo, guys. So yeah, I have a lot of it over here. All I do is to just get rid of the skin. So this is how I'm going to get that slice. So I'm just going to first of all cut it into 4 sides like this, then use my knife to just divide it into 2 like this. Just like this, I'm going to just cut all of it. It's just so simple. Have you shared this video yet? So guys, you need to share this and you need to try this for your family. Add the salt to taste and stir everything together. I will stir until everything gets combined, then I keep that aside. What I do next is for me to slice the beef. So at this point, the beef has cooled down. So all I do is to use my knife to chop that into bite-able size. Don't let that to be tiny. Don't let it to be that big. Just this size is good to go. I'm just going to cut all of it like this. This is one of the food you and your family is going to use to get your holiday done. It's so amazing. When you go sit down one corner, they chop this one, your body go cool down. You gotta go, guys. You need to share this video. Next is for us to prepare the pepper mix. So for the pepper mix, I use red bell pepper, onions, and hot pepper, ginger, garlic. I process that like this until I have something like this. Not that over blend it, guys. So on this pan, I'm going to be adding oil. After adding the oil, I'm going to add in the meat. So that is the beef I sliced earlier. Add everything in the pan and stir. I'm going to fry that until it turns golden brown color like this. Look at that. It fries so nice. Don't let that to fry that part, okay, so that it's not going to be that strong. Just see how this is gorgeous. I just love this brown color it comes with. Okay, so all you have to do is to separate everything from the hot oil. Next is to transfer all the plantain back inside the same oil. You see the reason why I first of all fried the meat before I fried the plantain. So that is going to enable this plantain to look more delicious because we have a lot of seasoning from the meat. Look at that. I'm going to fry that until I fry it like this. So what I do now is to reduce the oil, then add a little bit of oil, at the same time adding the pepper mix. Season with non-Maggi cube, I make use of 2. Then adding the same seasoning, curry powder and salt. So I will stir that and get this fry until it's fried and cooked to use. You don't need to add any other thing, just get that cooked like this. Look at that after frying. It fries so nice at this point. I'm going to transfer the beef back inside the pot like this. Then add in the plantain as well. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of meat stock. Then stir everything together. You don't need to add in any other thing at this point. All you have to do is to stir together. When adding the meat stock, don't add them much. All you have to do is just a little bit for more flavor. I'm just going to stir fry this with medium heat for 20 minutes. I'll just keep on stir frying. Look at that, it's looking yummy at this point. So after 20 minutes later, this is what I do. I have to add in this red, yellow, and green bell pepper. I will add everything and stir together. This is just so mind-blowing, guys. Have you shared yet? Like, have you shared this recipe? All you need is just to get beef, the same time get plantain. Try this for your family. They are going to use this to sit down and enjoy their day. Like, cool your head with this, guys. This is just so mind-blowing. You need to try this for your family, especially this holiday season. Okay guys, so this is me at this point. Food done, we don't deserve and to enjoy. Hey my god, this is just so amazing. I just love every bit of this recipe. Look at that now, so much water. At this point you don't even need rice to eat this. In some cases you can enjoy this with white rice, but for me guys, no need of white rice because this one too sweets me, like it just they go ahead. So this is me transferring that back inside this container. Look at my food now, look at my food, just sit down and enjoy. So let's serve for us to enjoy guys. This is just so much water, like this food is everything. If you haven't tried this before now, this is just the genuine process to get this amazing recipe done. Your family is going to appreciate you when you add this in their foodie, especially this Christmas season. I love you in my next one. Bye.